Hello guys! Good morning from Portugal. Hola, buen día. De Eutenio Nova Versão. Das palabras suturas con bonus. Okay, today I have the new version of Lucky Words with bonus. I have ticket number uh, let's see, 31 to 34. Sessão de 12 euro. I'm gonna use full scratcher coin. Okay, vamos começar. Let's start. Let's play in the old-fashioned way. Okay. Why my camera is crazy? E and J. I need to transfer another table. I think. Okay. E. D and I. D. I. 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 X and H. X and H. No. No X. No H. B and N. What's going on here? There's nothing. B and N. Oh Lord, there's N. But no P. This ticket is joking, guys. S. S. No. V and T. T. No V. What's going on here, Santa Casa? Why you give me all the letters that I don't need? I, T. But no V. U and Q. No Q. R and F. R. R. F. R. 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 There's A. R. I need this letter. L and C. Yeah, Lord. L. C. L. There's U, right? U. There's no O. No M. Okay, so this is not a winner. Spend so much time, it's not a winner, guys. Okay, so B and M. Okay. Oh Lord, 31. Let's go to 32. I think my camera or my phone settings is dark, guys. Let's do the. Sometimes I get bored. Fem. F I. It's a winner. The bonus, okay? It's a winner. Fem. FINM. Lua. L. No U. No letra A. Now. No U. No U. Chave. No letra A. Sai. Moida. Mew. M-E, but no U. Am I right? No U. River. Just give me R. Give me R. R. E. Give me V. No V, of course. No V. If there's V, it's 3 times, but no. No V. No. Oh, Lord. So I have the bonus win. How much? Ay, Jesus. The famous coffee money, guys. So I won €3. The famous coffee money. There's no doubt it's a winner. Okay, so ticket number 34 is a winner. I jumped to 34, guys. This is 31, 34. Okay, so I got €3. Let's go to 32. 32. Let's play the old-fashioned way. C and B. C. Okay, no B. Only one C and there's no B. V and U. U. There's a lot of letter A in this ticket, guys. H and M. 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 There's V. Okay. D and N. D. D. N. D. N. Okay, let's give me letter A. Q and X. Useless letters. No X. There's X. No Q. No Q. Okay, no. S. S. No. I and P. I. P. I. I. P. F. And J. F. Give me A or E. Ah, Lord have mercy. What is this? Oh, is this? Oh, this is Q. Oh, Lord, Zika. R and there's O, R, but no E, right? O, O, R, O. But this is not a winner because there's no A. O. My camera is dark, guys, that's why I cannot see. Okay, so I think this is not a winner. There's no E, there's no letter A. And they give me all the no E, no E, no L, no E, no. So this is not a winner. All the shit prices all the time. Okay, so let's go here. All the coffee money in the world, guys. There's no Lua, no letra A. and they give me all the no E. So I have only I and O. What? And U. Oh Lord. No. This is slower. No. No E. No letter. No letter A. No E. Murar. M. O. No letter A. No letter E. Esta. No letter A. Of course, this is not a winner. Okay, so we don't delay the time, guys, when it's a loser. Oh, Lord of mercy. So I bought 4 and I got only €3. The same ship, guys. Okay, so I got €3. Coffee money, as always. Okay, so I spent 12, guys, and I got €3. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigado a todos. Ciao.